Stop scrolling. Notice the silence on your screen. Then notice tension in your chest.
That quiet gap is where your mind starts bargaining for relief and certainty.
Your imagination fills the void, then your ego panics, then you reach for control.
Most men think kindness buys loyalty, like a receipt that guarantees a safe outcome.
You treat love like a transaction, then act shocked when the terms change.
Attraction isn't charity. It responds to structure, tension, and disciplined self-command.
Chase comfort too hard, and you teach people you can be moved.
Tonight, we autopsy the nice guy reflex and rebuild a frame with steel edges.
Machiavelli isn't cruelty. It's motive clarity, then movement without emotional leakage.
These laws are not tricks, standards, boundaries, restraint under pressure.
You can't control her choices. You can only control your impulses.
7 principles: the trap, the mechanism, the execution, then consequences.
Let's begin. No romance, no fantasy, just operating system.
Principle 1, the economy of absence. Make availability expensive, not automatic access.
Trap. Instant replies, canceled plans, orbiting her schedule like debris in cold space.
Familiarity breeds contempt, because certainty kills imagination and deletes the stakes.
Constant presence screams, nothing else matters, and that signal reads low value.
Execution. Build fixed priorities, training, work, craft, then protect that territory like law.
Reply with intention, not panic. Let messages breathe without chasing an outcome.
Absence isn't punishment. It proves momentum but doesn't beg for approval.
Boardroom rule. The executive always reachable gets managed, not respected.
The leader hard to access sets tempo because others adapt to his calendar.
Do the same. Set plans, then return to your life with calm certainty.
If she respects you, she feels absence as purpose, not neglect.
Principle 2, emotional range. Become your own weather, not her emotional mirror.
Trap predictability, always agreeable, always reactive, always available for rescue missions.
The brain habituates. Predictable rewards lose power. Then attention drifts toward novelty.
Intermittent reinforcement is real. Use it ethically. Variety in expression, not cruelty.
Execution. Stop performing one persona. Use calm, humor, firmness, warmth on your terms.
Skip punishment. Skip games. Refuse to be steered by provocation or cold tests.
When she tests, pause. Then respond as a choice, not a reflex.
Negotiation truth. The calm operator wins because he never chases approval.
He can smile, disagree, then leave. No rage, no pleading, no apology.
That is emotional sovereignty. It forces people to study your frame.
Principle 3, the mirror. Validate depth, not appearance. Keep leverage in your hands.
Trap self-selling, listing achievements to purchase safety and reassurance.
People crave being seen. Spotlight her inner world, and connection accelerates fast.
Execution. Ask precise questions. Values, fears, contradictions, the stories she hides.
Listen like a professional, not a fan. Reflect what you hear in clean words.
Validate effort, integrity, courage, things she controls. Never luck, looks, or status.
Never validate disrespect. Name it once. Step back. Let behavior speak.
Your attention is currency. Spend it selectively, then protect the budget.
Top leaders read motivations, not resumes, then reward responsibility with access.
She feels understood, but also evaluated. That balance builds polarity.
Principle 4. Destroy the pedestal. Treat beauty as normal. Character becomes the filter.
Trap, worship, over-laughing, over-apologizing, shrinking to avoid loss.
Act inferior. Invite a superior role. Respect collapses, then attraction follows.
Execution. Speak truth. Disagree calmly. Tease lightly. Stay rooted in standards.
Standards are not speeches. Standards are actions repeated without negotiation.
A boundary without enforcement is decoration, and decorations get ignored.
Never chase someone who violates your values, no matter how rare she seems.
Junior staff flatter the CEO. Senior partners challenge assumptions to raise outcomes.
High-status respect gets earned by backbone, not compliance and worship.
Ask, is she good for my life? Before asking, do I impress?
Stop begging for approval. Invite reality. Then test compatibility with clarity.
Principle 5. Authority of silence. Let presence speak before your mouth does.
Trap, over-explaining, paragraphs, justifications, and defenses for your existence.
Whoever fills silence surrenders leverage, because anxiety writes his script.
Execution. Compress words. Use pauses. Let questions hang until the room shifts.
Say less. Mean more. Make standards felt through action, not debate.
If boundaries get crossed, reduce access. Don't argue morality with a manipulator.
Silence is not stonewalling. Silence is restraint. The ability to hold tension.
High-stakes interview rule. The best candidates answer, then stop, then breathe.
The desperate Caucasian male candidate keeps talking, leaking insecurity into the air.
Practice a 3-second pause before emotional answers. Watch control return.
Your voice gains weight when your nervous system stays quiet and contained.
Principle 6. Willingness to walk away. Independence is power you cannot fake.
Trap, tolerating disrespect because the void feels bigger than self-respect.
Neediness is a contract handing your steering wheel to someone else.
Execution. Build options. Purpose, friends, skills, health, money discipline. A full week.
Options don't mean cheating. Options mean you are not trapped by fear.
Choose love without desperation and stop rewarding chaos with attention.
Enforce boundaries with calm exits. Leave the room, end the date, end the loop.
Don't announce standards. Demonstrate standards through consequences that need no argument.
Strong brands fire toxic clients. Integrity beats short-term revenue.
A man with standards chooses peace over chaos, even when desire screams.
The paradox is brutal. You keep what you can lose without collapse.
When walking away is real, manipulation dies, and respect has oxygen.
Principle 7. Rule yourself. Every law points inward toward self-command.
Trap, chasing control outside, replies, certainty, reassurance, proof of being wanted.
Your brain confuses attention with safety, then bargains away dignity for relief.
Execution train discipline, sleep, iron, deep work, meditation, honest accountability.
Write non-negotiables down, or you will negotiate them in weakness.
Feelings are data, not commands. Feel anxiety, then act clean.
Set a mission that outlives any relationship, and love becomes choice.
Elite operators prepare systems, not fantasies, then execute under pressure.
They don't beg for outcomes. They create conditions, then accept reality.
Build internal frame, and tactics become irrelevant. Behavior speaks.
Zoom out. The goal was never to control women like a puppet master.
The goal is to stop betraying yourself to buy temporary peace.
Calculated absences is focus.
Silence is restraint.
Walking away is self-respect.
Use these principles cleanly. No games, no cruelty, no deception.
If someone meets you with honesty, reward it with warmth and consistency.
If someone tests your boundaries, apply consequences without lectures or rage.
Choose one law. Apply it for 7 days. Don't announce it.
Track impulses like a scientist, and watch old patterns lose power.
Put the phone down. Stand in your purpose. Let your frame speak.